Hello, this is CyberDragon. Today I'm going to talk about MassiveClicks.com. What it is a website that you can post online and they can track your website and give you 24 hours traffic to your website. So if you sell something, they'll help you optimize your search engine optimization, which is your SEO. They do not advertise on adult sites. So if you do Amazon, like doing advertise on Facebook, they'll help do all your traffic for you. And they operate in the United States and a few other countries, which they don't spend. If your site's up for 5, 10, or 20 years, they'll keep advertising for you based on their lifetime program. They'll only advertise 30-day plus, and the URL must be up to date. And add testimonial about if they're legit or not. They have a picture of their CEO, which is, or some picture of a client, Mark Ostervin. They advertise on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and so forth. By 10,000 traffic to your website, $65. By 20,000 traffic with website or blog, and you can join the US, Canada, Australia, United Kingdom. 24 hours, pay about $95, $661 for 50,000 people to go to your website. They have a lot of sponsors, and they've been around Google, Amazon, and they've done it for hotels, and they accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover. Okay, let's see their term and services. Okay, they don't like phishing scams. They block all those. They tell you which websites are not accepted. Also, they don't do on social media. You'll only so far do on. There's a minimum of 5,000 visitors. They monitor your campaigns. They'll only refund your money only if will not be based off or upon unrecommended trackers. So let's see how they pay. We'll only refund unspent funds. Any money you not spent, they refund back to you. Well, determine if they can determine they did not send traffic, they'll only refund your money. They said they don't have Bitcoin, so they pretty much refund in the balance of PayPal. So all your money is refunded through PayPal. If you want refund or exchange, refund will not be available to clients who do not request. You only got 15 days for a refund. So over 15 days, you cannot get a refund. So read the terms and conditions before, and you can contact them through email. Looks like they look like they're somewhere in Cassie's 2020. This the website was part of Wix.com, so it was created through Wix. They started in 2020 this year, and it ends at 2021. You can check who is for. See the this so far they not found anything wrong with the website, but they found like similar things that happened, like a click fraud farm that got busted in Thailand for illegally selling cell phones and SIM cards. or to earn clicks. Let's see what else can we find about this company. Okay, open another tab. They don't find anything wrong so far, but there's a lot of news about phishing scams, click fraud. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it's up to you to determine is it legit or a scam. Hope to see you guys next time. Bye.